Yo, JBlanked here, making FlipperZero apps the easy way, part 4. Now, before we begin, make sure you have completed the steps from part 1, where we set up the environment, cloned the Hello World C++ project, and reviewed the app structure. Make sure you also have completed the steps from part 2, where we learned how to connect to Wi-Fi, send an HTTP request, then process the response. And lastly, make sure you also complete part 3, where we integrated the loading animation, created a menu, and added another API. Up until now, we have explored GET requests only. In part 4, we are adding another API that sends a POST request. Simply put, POST requests allow you to send data to an API, while typically GET requests are used to receive data. Later in part 5, we will learn how to download files over HTTP straight to your FlipperZero. Now let's open up Visual Studio Code and open up our run header file within the run folder. In our menu item, we're going to add, okay, and now in our run.cpp file, let's update our input key OK case in the menu input to add our new API. Now let's utilize a switch case, and within our post request, we'll just simply send hello Flipper to the API. And now let's add our new menu item to the request not started case within our update draw method. We'll need this. And now we just need to scroll down and update the JSON in the request received case. And we'll also use a switch case. Okay, now next we need to add a method to debounce the input. Now, sometimes input events occur too fast, so we need to add a small delay to ensure smooth input control. So let's open up our run header again, and let's add our method and some members. And now in run.cpp, let's add the definition right above our menu draw method. Okay, now we need to edit the update input method to set our last input member and debounce. And now let's update our menu input method to use our last input member instead of passing it an input event. Okay, and we should also add our should debounce member to each key. Okay, we're all set. Let's use UFBT launch and check out what we did. Oh, we forgot to remove this. And let's see, 155. Oh, I see. Switch, if, switch, break. I see. Let's do this. Default break, and this here, input case. Oh, this and break. Move this here. That. And the case, default return. And let me close Q Flipper. And now we can launch. Now when we click run, our input is controlled. And we see our HTTP bin API option. When we click on that option, it sends the post request. Now, this API simply returns what was sent to it. So we see our Hello Flipper message on the screen. And that's it. We took our Get Request app from part 3, fixed the input, and added another API that uses a post request. For more videos like this, make sure to subscribe, and while you're at it, leave a thumbs up on this video. I'm JBlanked. Until next time, peace.